Welcome back to Gear Grinders, your go-to channel for all things motorcycles. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2025 Yamaha XSR 155, a retro-styled bike that combines classic design with modern performance. Perfect for urban riders and enthusiasts alike, this bike is a true head-turner. Let's dive into what makes it special. Design and styling. The 2025 Yamaha XSR 155 stays true to its retro-inspired roots while incorporating modern elements. Its round LED headlamp, sculpted fuel tank, and vintage-style seat give it a timeless appeal. The bike features a minimalist design with brushed metal finishes and classic color options like racing blue and matte silver. Attention to detail, such as the exposed frame and compact tail section, ensures it stands out in a crowd. Performance and engine. Powered by a refined 155cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, the XSR 155 delivers 19 bhp and 14.7 Nm of torque. The 2025 model introduces smoother throttle response and improved fuel efficiency, making it ideal for city commutes and weekend rides. The engine's peppy performance and lightweight design ensure a fun and engaging ride, whether you're navigating traffic or cruising on open roads. Features and technology. The 2025 XSR 155 is packed with modern tech to enhance your riding experience. It features a fully digital instrument cluster that provides essential ride information, including a gear position indicator. Dual-channel ABS ensures safety, while the LED lighting system improves visibility and adds a contemporary touch. The bike also comes with traction control, offering better stability on slippery surfaces. Ride and handling. The XSR 155 is designed for agility and comfort. Its lightweight chassis, paired with telescopic front forks and a rear monoshock, offers a smooth and stable ride. The upright riding position and low seat height make it accessible for riders of all sizes. Whether you're zipping through city streets or taking on winding roads, the XSR 155 delivers nimble handling and confident braking. Conclusion. The 2025 Yamaha XSR 155 is a perfect blend of retro aesthetics and modern performance. It's a bike that appeals to riders who appreciate classic design but want the reliability of contemporary technology. If you're looking for a stylish, capable, and fun-to-ride motorcycle, the XSR 155 should be on your list. Thanks for watching Gear Grinders. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Until next time, ride safe and keep the passion for motorcycling alive.